Hello my dear children, welcome again to e-learning class and welcome again to English session of your e-learning class. Children, today's our topic is reading of lesson number 6. Up till now we have finished reading of lesson numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lessons we have finished. Today, before reading the lesson number 6, we will take a recap of lesson number 5. We will revise the words and sentences of lesson number 5 first, and then we will read the sentences and words of lesson number 6. So, let us move ahead and take a recap of lesson number 5. Here some words I have taken from lesson number 5 and some sentences. But you all have to read all the words and sentences of all the lessons. Here I have taken only some words and sentences. So, let us revise them. First word of lesson number 5, B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Next word, R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag. Next word is T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. Now, next word is C-A-B, cab. C-A-B, cab. Next word is N-A-B, nab. N-A-B, nab. Next word is T-A-B, tab. T-A-B, tab. Now, we will read the sentences of lesson number 5. First sentence, I-A-M-M-M-A-G, mag. All together we will read I am mag. I-A-M-M-M-A-G, mag. I am mag. Next sentence, W-A-G, wag. H-A-S, has. M-Y, my. B-A-G, bag. Now all together we will read the sentence, wag has my bag. Wag has my bag. Slowly children, you all have to read the sentences and the words. Be careful in reading. Keep your finger on the word which you are reading. Yes. Again, W-A-G, wag. H-A-S, has. M-Y, my. B-A-G, bag. Wag has my bag. Next sentence, W-A-G, wag. I-S, is. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. C-A-B, cab. All together we will read, wag is in the cab. Wag is in the cab. Now the last sentence, T-H-E, the. B-A-D, bad. M-A-N, man. H-A-S, has. M-Y, my. B-A-G, bag. The bad man has my bag. Yes. So, these were the words and sentences of lesson number 5. Now, today's our topic is reading of lesson number 5 from Phonafun book. So, let us move ahead and read the words and sentences of lesson number 6. Yes, you all have to sit properly and take your books in your hands and read lesson number 6 from your Phonafun book. So, here are the words of lesson number 6. First, we will learn the words of lesson number 6. Yes. First word is C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Yes. And what is a cot? A small wooden bed is called a cot. Yes. C-O-T, cot. Here you can see the picture of a cot. It is called a cot. Next word is D-O-T, dot. Here you can see a dot. It is called a dot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. Now next word is G-O-T, got. G-O-T, got. G-O-T, got. Now the next word here you can see after got which word? H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. You can see a cup of hot tea. Yes. So H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Now next word is L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. Here you can see picture of many flowers. When there are many things, we can say lot. L-O-T, lot. A lot of flowers, a lot of balloons, a lot of pencils. Yes. So L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. Next is P-O-T, pot. Here you can see a pot. Yes. In this pot a plant is there. Yes, it is called a pot. This is a pot. We grow plants in a pot. And the spelling of pot is P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Next word N-O-T, knot. N-O-T, knot. N-O-T, knot. Next word is T-O-T, tot. T-O-T, tot. Here you can see picture of a small baby and a small baby is called a tot. You all must have heard, we all say tiny tot. Yes. So small baby, here you can see it is called a tot. T-O-T, tot. Now next word C-O-P, cop. C-O-P, cop. Here a policeman is also called a cop. You can see a picture of a policeman. He is also called a cop. And the spelling of cop, C-O-P, cop. C-O-P, cop. Next word is hop. H-O-P, hop. You can see a small boy here. He is taking a small jump. Yes, he is not going so high. He is not jumping so high. And it is called a hop. And the spelling of hop is H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Next word is M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Here you can see picture of a mop. We use a mop to clean the floor. Yes. So M-O-P, mop. Next word is T-O-P, top. You can see here picture of a top. It is a plaything. Yes, it is a thing which we play with it. Small children play with a top. Yes, spelling is T-O-P, top. Now children, we will learn the sentences of lesson number 6. Yes, first of all, here you can see the picture here given in lesson number 6. Yes, here you can see a girl. Her name is Dot, and here what she is doing? She is mopping the floor with a mop. You can see a mop in her hand. Yes, it is a mop. You can see here a cot. This is called a cot. Yes, a wooden small bed, it is called a cot. Yes, so let's read the sentences of lesson number 6. Sentence number 1, D-O-T dot H-A-S has a M-O-P, mop. Now together we will read. Dot has a mop. Dot has a mop. Yes, again we will read the sentence. DOT dot HAS has a MOP, mop. Dot has a mop. Next sentence, sentence number 2. SHE, she, IS is, BY by, THE the, COT, cot. She is by the cot. SHE, she, IS is, BY by, THE the, COT, cot. Together we will read. She is by the cot. Next sentence number 3. DOT dot can, MOP, mop. Together we will read. Dot can mop. Dot can mop. Yes, DOT dot can, MOP, mop. Dot can mop. Now we will move ahead. Sentence number 4. DOT dot can, HOP, hop. Dot can hop. Dot can hop. Then the next sentence, sentence number 5. DOT dot can, NOT, not, HOP, hop, AND, and MOP, mop. Now all together we will read the sentence. Dot can not hop and mop, means Dot cannot do both the things together. She can do only one thing at a time. Yes, so sentence number 5 is Dot cannot hop and mop. Yes, now all the 5 sentences we will read together here. Sentence number 1. DOT dot HAS has a MOP, mop. Dot has a mop. Sentence number 2. SHE, she, IS is, BY by, THE the, COT, cot. She is by the cot. Sentence number 3. DOT dot CAN MOP mop. Dot can mop. 4 number DOT dot can HOP hop. Dot can hop. Sentence number 5th. DOT dot can NOT not HOP hop AND and MOP mop. Dot can not hop and mop. Yes. So children, these were the sentences and the words of lesson number 6 which we did today, and we did the revision also of lesson number 5, words and sentences. So you all have to read the words and sentences of all the lessons daily. You all have to practice reading daily. Yes. So children, keep practicing, keep reading and do your homework regularly. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.